Hello guys, hope you are doing good. So I'm back with my new video. Can you guess what is the content of my today's video? Yes, it is all about lip care with homemade remedies. I have given enough of hints, that is lip balm. When I say lip balm, we generally use it every time, almost every time. Whenever lipstick is not there on our lips, we are staying at home, we use that market buying lip balm. So when we are staying at home and we have applied the lip balm, we are having some food items or water that is directly going into our stomach. So have you ever checked that is safe or not? So why can't we use something that is effective for our lips also, that will just smoothen your lips, and it will be not be very harmful when it is going to your stomach. That's why my today's video is all about how to care for your lips at home and how to make lip balms with homemade remedies that is easily available. You have to spend hardly some 50 rupees and your lip balm will be ready. I will be using beetroot for colors. I'll not use any lipsticks, and try to avoid lipstick all the time. Whenever you are going out, that is fine, but whenever you are staying at home, do not apply any lipstick. Another part is black lips. Generally guys also and girls also having that black lips problem. First of all, I will request you, if you are smoking, then leave that, because that will be very harmful for your lips. And if your lips are very dry, start having some lemon or anything that contains vitamin C. That will be useful for you. So let's not waste the time. I have talked already a lot. Let's start the video. And if you are liking my channel, liking my videos, so please do subscribe. So let's start with some tips for guys. I couldn't make any videos because I was not feeling well. I was a little upset for some reasons. I'll just show you what and all you need to do. It will be effective for sure. So first, whenever you are brushing your teeth in morning, whenever you are doing that is fine, try to rub it with the toothbrush like this. Just rub it well. Girls don't do this because we are having softer lips than guys. It is only for guys. So another tips is just take a bottle of rose water. If you want, I can make separate video also for you all, and add a lemon to it. Some half lemon is also fine. Apply it on your lips and rub it properly. Now I'll show you how to scrub your lips properly. Just take 2 tablespoons of honey and 1 tablespoon of sugar. Mix it well and rub it for 1 to 2 minutes. That will be scrub your lips very well, and honey is very effective for your lips also. You can try that. Do it some 2-3 times in a week. If your lips are very dry and very black, you can try it daily 2 times also. So now I have made some video. I'll just show you how to make the lip balms. And whatever lip balm I am going to show you, as I already told, just for guys, just avoid the beetroot part. What will be effective for you is, just take a Vaseline bottle, petroleum jelly, and add 2 tablespoons of coconut oil to it and 1 vitamin E capsule. Mix it well. Keep it in refrigerator or outside also you can store it. Just use it, apply it daily whenever you are staying at home. And start avoid smoking, because if you are smoking and you are trying all these things, it will not work definitely. Now it depends on you. Okay, then let's start the process of the lip balms. Now I'll share with you 2 types of lip balms, how to use it at home with homemade items. Here I have taken 1 coconut oil. We'll use 2 tablespoons. 1 empty bottle of the baby lips to store the lip balm, whatever we will make. 1 beetroot, it gives natural color, pink color to your lips. Vaseline gel. 1 bottle cow ghee, 2 tablespoons we will use. First, now I'll cut the beetroot after peeling this. Do not waste the peels. I'll just mix it with the help of a mixture grinder. I'll collect juice now. How I'm collecting, you can see. do it for 5 to 10 minutes. It will be enough. Here I have collected already some juice. Again we'll do it for 5 minutes. If you want to collect more juice, you can add some half tablespoon of water also. Do not add more water. Don't throw this part of the beetroot, we'll use it later. See, my hands are so red now. I have collected juice here. We'll divide it into 2 parts now, so that we can use it later also. As I have already told, do not throw this. Coconut oil 2 tablespoons we'll take. And we'll add Vaseline jelly. The consistency should be like jelly, like Vaseline. So mix it according to this. Now you can see the consistency. It is jelly. Mix it well. It looks like this. Now we'll store this in the empty bottle and just refrigerate it for some 4 to 5 hours, and it will be ready. Now we'll go to the second process. Whatever beetroot waste you have taken and the peels, just add it, add little water to it and boil it for some time. It's boiling. It will take 2 minutes hardly to boil. Now add the more juice that you have collected in the previous step. We'll separate the liquid part and the solid part. We have to take this liquid part. Now I have stored it, and we'll add equal amount of ghee to it, and it is ready for use. So that's all for today. We'll meet in the next video. Till then, take a good care of yourself. Bye.